Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to create terms in SharePoint Term Store using Power Automate. Normally, managing the term store is a manual task and require admin access. But with Power Automate, we can automate this process and create the terms dynamically. So if you are working with managed metadata and want to automate the term creation, this video for you. Let's get started. So this is the SharePoint Admin Center, and as you can see, this department is a term group and the business unit is a term set. So in this term set, I need to add terms. So as you can see, HR and IT is added. Let me show you how to do this one. So for this one, I created a SharePoint list. So whenever a person will enter some value here, the Power Automate will trigger and put that same term here. Let's see. So let me add one term here in SharePoint list. Click this add new button and enter the operation and enter the description. Now click save. So now refresh this site. Now expand this term group and this term set. As you can see, now this term is added. Now I'll show you how to create. So before I tell you how to create, we need two things. First one is this term group, this unique ID. You need to copy this one and paste it in a notepad. Then you need to copy this business unity term unique code. Copy this one and paste it here. So now I'll show you how to create. Now go to the Power Automate homepage and click this create button. Then you need to select the type of flow. In this case, I want the automatic cloud flow. That's why I select this one. Then give a flow name. So I am giving create term in SharePoint term store, and here search our trigger. In this case, I want when an item is created in the SharePoint list, the flow needs to trigger. So this is the first one you need to select when an item is created, and click on this create button. Then select this trigger and select the site address. So site address is not displayed here. So what we need to do, we need to go to the site and copy the site URL and paste it here. Then we need to select the list. So here, as you can see the list name, term request. Select this term request. Then search an HTTP request and select this SharePoint HTTP request. And then again we need to select the site address. So I will copy this site address and paste it here. Then our method is post. Then you need to pass the URI. So this is our URI which we need to pass. The here we need to first add the group ID. So group ID means this is our group ID, the first one, departments. So for this example, I am copying this one and paste it here. Then the term set ID. So click on this business unity and copy this unique code. So this is our URI. Then expand this advanced parameter and select the body. In the body, provide this JSON. So here first you need to give the name and second is the description. So now our flow is completed. Let's save this flow. Now as you can see our flow is saved. Now let's go to the SharePoint list and we'll try to add one item. And this is our SharePoint list. Click on add a new item. Provide term name as finance and description. Then click on the save button. Now let's wait for the flow needs to run. Now you can see the finance term is added. So this way you can create a Power Automate flow to add a term in the term store. So if you want to get that URI and the JSON code, I will provide this article link. Thank you everyone.